In the sequence of reaction, we have to find out what is B. So we should write two equations. What is A, after that what is B. The given substrate is alkyne in the presence of carbonyl compound. So when it is reacted with mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid, hydration takes place. We should have that idea. Addition of H2O they won't give, just they will mention acidified mercuric sulfate. In the presence of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid, alkyne undergoes addition of H2O to give alkenol, enol form of the aldehyde or ketone. That undergoes tautomerization to give aldehyde or ketone. So A is aldehyde or ketone, which is obtained by the hydration of CC triple bond. After the formation of aldehyde or ketone, already one more ketone is there. That's why it undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction with 2 moles of magnesium, 2 moles of methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis gives B. So two types of alcohols we can get. Two types of OH groups will be there. So in this case, we have to remember one thing. Markovnikov's addition and anti-Markovnikov's addition. Because of electron withdrawing group, the carbon which is closer to electron withdrawing group will not try to get positive charge. So the carbon which is away from electron withdrawing group generally will try to get positive charge. So OH of water prefers to attack at CH carbon. H of the water prefers to attack at C carbon, triply bonded carbon. So this addition is opposite to Markovnikov's rule. We can take it as anti-Markovnikov's addition. So remember, anti-Markovnikov's addition we can observe in two cases. One, during the addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of alkyl peroxide. Another one, in the presence of electron withdrawing group. When electron withdrawing group is there, which is nearer to CC triple bond or CC double bond, by the influence of that electron withdrawing group, addition follows anti-Markovnikov's rule. Keep it in your mind. So now let us observe the reaction. This is the compound given, alkyne. Alkyne undergoes hydration in the presence of acidified mercuric sulfate, Hg2 plus, in the presence of H plus, acid catalyzed hydration. So addition occurs opposite to Markovnikov's rule. H goes to carbon with less number of hydrogens. OH prefers to go to triply bonded carbon with more number of hydrogens. This is anti-Markovnikov's addition. C double bond O just remain present, that is influencing the addition of HOH. CH double bond CHOH. This is the product. Nothing but enol. We know enol form is unstable. That's why it undergoes tautomerization. So during the tautomerization, proton exchange takes place with double bond. CH2, CH already there, single bond OH becomes double bond OH. So the formed compound is nothing but aldehyde. After the formation of aldehyde, 2 moles of methyl magnesium bromide is mentioned, followed by hydrolysis. So during this process what happens? CO ketone undergoes addition, aldehyde also undergoes addition. So just you break the pi bond of CO, attach hydrogen to oxygen and methyl group to the carbonyl carbon. And one more aldehyde group is there, another carbonyl group is there. Here also you break the pi bond, attach hydrogen to the oxygen, make it alcohol. Already H is there. Now attach another CH3 to the carbonyl carbon. So one alcohol is 2-degree alcohol, other alcohol is 2-degree alcohol. One is 2-degree alcohol, another one is 3-degree alcohol. That is the final product. So here final product is B. This is 3-degree alcohol, this is 2-degree alcohol.